Okay, students, welcome back. Due to some technical fault, we are not able to connect with you. Okay, so welcome back again. You are ready now? So, yes or no? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, students. Okay. We are talking about weather and clothes. Okay. So, I will start from there again, weather and clothes. See here, page number 20 in your book. You can open page number 20 in your book. It is chapter number 3. We have already, we have already started the term 1 syllabus. Okay, chapter number 3 you open page number 20. See, weather and clothes, you follow everyone, please follow your book, weather and clothes. We wear clothes according to the weather of the place we live in. We wear light colored cotton clothes in summer because, why do we wear light colored cotton clothes in summer? Because we wear light colored cotton clothes in summer because they allow body heat to escape and thus keeps our body cool. I have written the question, you can write the question in your copy. Why? Can you see the board? Everyone can see the board? Children, you can see the board? Yes? Okay. Can you see me? Yes? Okay. So, you will write there the question, why do we wear light colored cotton clothes in summer? This is question number 1. And another question, why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Okay, you can write down quickly this question. Your answer is there. You can write the answer also. You can do this in your notebook. We wear light colored cotton clothes in summer because they allow body heat to escape and keep our body cool. And why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Your answer is, we wear woolen clothes in winter because they do not allow body heat to escape and thus keeps our body warm. This is your answer. Okay, you can underline there in your book on page number 20. Okay, so next one, people who live at places where it snows wear fur clothes. Fur clothes keep them warm. Fur clothes is thick woolen clothes made of fur. Okay, so it is more thick than the woolen. So where the people lives in the cold countries, where it snows. Okay, there may be Vendrila, I think there can be any problem with your settings there. So you can, others can see you can. So better you just don't change your settings, okay, properly, Vendrila. You can hear me, Vendrila, yes or no? Okay, so people who live at places where it snows wear fur clothes keep them warm. Next is when it rains, during rainy season, when it rains we use raincoats, umbrellas and gumboots. So what are the 3 things? What are the 3 things we use in the rainy season to protect ourselves from the rain? What are the 3 things we use in the rainy season to protect ourselves from rain? What is the answer? The 3 things used are what? You can use raincoat, umbrellas and gumboots. Okay, these are the 3 things we use in the rainy season. These are made up of waterproof material. So waterproof means the water does not, it does not allow the water to pass through it. This is the function of the waterproof. What is the function? The function of the waterproof material is, it does not allow water to pass through it. So it keeps us dry and protects us from the rain. Okay. So, children, we have completed this chapter you can open to page number 21. Open page number 21. Next page, you see the keyword. You will learn the keywords. Okay, you will learn the keywords. Means you learn keywords there. You learned keywords as one word answer. Okay, suppose I have given people who roam around from place to place. What is your answer? Can you tell me the answer? The people who roam around from place to place. What is the answer? Yes, students? Yes, children? Yes, nomads. So, if I give you as one word, write one word answer. So, I have given the sentence, the people who roam around from place to place. Your answer will be nomads. Nomads. Okay? Okay, children, today up to this much. Okay, see you again in the next class. We will discuss about the exercise in our next class. So, thank you everyone and goodbye. Thank you everyone. Goodbye. Yes. Okay.